Hi guys! I'm trying to get the birds to move, but they're not moving. Move, move, move for my audience. They don't want to move all together. Yay! Whoa! The wear and tear of the paint on this wall looks to me like a work of art. It reminds me of how God can make so much beauty out of our messed up situations, and I was just so excited to see it, and I had to take a photo for you guys. So guys, one of the rare mornings that I'm actually gonna take a walk. You can see my face, just wake up face, and I was just gonna do a little simple walk around, but someone told me that there is a park close by, so let's check out the park. Come with me.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So guys, I never expected that I would get the chance to walk around this track, so I didn't even come prepared. I didn't bring money for water, so I won't stay long. I think I'm just gonna do one lap and head back, and yeah, if I get a chance to come again. Some people are relaxing, resting in the park, and yeah, I guess most people are going home now, so it was really nice that I got a chance to come and see. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, see you next time. I'm Blade and I'm cutting. Bye.